Supercharge Your English. Unleashing the Power of Adjectives. Hello, language explorers. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of adjectives, an essential part of English grammar. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what an adjective is, but also how to use it effectively in your everyday conversations. So, get ready to supercharge your English vocabulary with the power of adjectives. In simple terms, an adjective is a word that describes or modifies another person or thing in a sentence. The adjective gives more information about the characteristics, qualities, or states of the person, place, or thing we're talking about. For example, in the sentence, "She has a red apple," red is an adjective because it describes the color of the apple. There are several types of adjectives, and understanding these can further enhance your language skills. Quantity adjectives. These are words like some, many, a lot of, which tell us about the quantity of the noun. For example, "She has many friends." Quality adjectives. Quality adjectives describe the kind, quality, or characteristic of the noun. Words like beautiful, happy, cold are examples. For example, "He is a happy boy." Possessive adjectives. These adjectives show ownership or possession. Words like my, your, his, her are possessive adjectives. For example, "This is her book." Demonstrative adjectives. These point out to which person or thing is meant. This, that, these, those are demonstrative adjectives. For example, "I like those shoes." The placement of adjectives in a sentence is usually before the noun they are describing. This is often referred to as the attributive position. For example, "She is wearing a blue dress." However, in some cases, adjectives can come after the verb, especially when the verb is a linking verb like is, are, seem, look, etc. This is called the predicative position. For example, "The sky is blue." We've just scratched the surface of the rich world of adjectives. By understanding what adjectives are, the different types, and where to place them in your sentences, you can make your English much more descriptive and engaging. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using adjectives like a pro. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. See you in our next English adventure.